Is Panasonic a smart TV? Let's clarify. Yes, many modern Panasonic TVs are smart TVs, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. They run on Panasonic's proprietary platform called My Home Screen, which provides a simple interface for streaming content and accessing apps. While My Home Screen is functional and easy to use, it is more basic compared to platforms like Android TV or Samsung's Tizen OS. It supports essential features like screen sharing and voice control on select models, but lacks the extensive app ecosystem of some competitors. Panasonic Smart TVs are a good choice if you prioritize reliable picture quality and straightforward functionality. However, if you're looking for advanced smart features or a more versatile platform, you might consider brands like Sony or TCL. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.